Welcome back to another video. It is Creations by Lisi here. I go by Lisi and I create a lot of content, so hence the name. If you guys are into beauty, lifestyle, beauty, hair, makeup, any of that, styling, lifestyle, tips about life, things that's probably going on in my life, if you guys are true to that and you like content like that, definitely stay on this page, subscribe, and definitely just keep watching. Let's get it. Let's get it. It's been a great day. I'm not gonna lie. It's definitely been a great day. We love those days, right? But we're here. We have some sad news. This, okay? This. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is not sad news. This is really just my hair. Like, look at that. Look at that, y'all. This looks like a potato, like a burnt potato. This is what came out of my head. Literally, after detangling my hair with my Felicia Rashad brush. Love it, does the job. But yeah, I had that twist out. Then I decided to just on day 5, day 6, I was like, okay, like the weather's not cooperating with my twist out anymore. So it lasted 6 days, that's great, but we need to like detangle this before this turns into a hot mess. Like, if you're natural and you have thick hair and it's curly and kinky, then you know where I'm coming from. Hence this. And I just wanted to show you guys that that's reality. And that's okay, like that's healthy, because my hair is still thick. I still have hair on my head. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Here is 4 sections. It makes it way more easier. And I do this even with my knotless braids, but this is the product that I'm using, my TGI moisturizer, daily moisturizer. Is the best out there as far as moisturizing, and it's a cream, so perfect for me with my thick hair. But yeah, I definitely suggest putting your hair in sections, especially if you have thick curly hair. Put it in thick sections. My hair is stretched, so right now I'm just doing some medium size or medium size parts, just like how I would with my knotless braids. And then I'm going to part each side and use my comb to comb up my little, and then also just detangle, put the cream on, and then start twisting. Another pro tip is you don't want to make your twist very small, just because this is a protective hairstyle and you want to be able to retain length. So please don't make your twist really small, because if you make it really small, they might as well just be micro link locks, and you don't want that as a protective hairstyle if you're just trying to retain length. Also, the takedown is horrendous if you make them smaller. So just do like medium size sections. Another suggestion is to brick layer your twist. You guys will see in a second how I'm doing that. That's basically just bricklaying your each twist into each below section or each gap below hand. So like we would do with knotless braids, as you can see right here. And then also apply products to the ends as you're twisting, because that is cohesive and important when having a protective hairstyle. You definitely want to make sure that your ends are sealed and nice and moisturized so it doesn't lead to breakage. So one last thing, when you are twisting, make sure that you're twisting tight, because this is a protective hairstyle. You don't want your twist coming out in 2 to 3 days.
AirPods on, can you feel the beat? I just wanna have good times.
Yeah, I gotta protect my inner peace. Not everything will deserve my energy. I'm a Steve Jobs, yeah, I think differently. I block out noise and all decoys that limit me. Yes, and I need time to recline and be with my own thoughts. Pulling from deep down and into my own vault. I find beauty in the melodies, color in the harmonies. Life is like an odyssey. Don't wanna be rude if I'm vibing, don't you bother me. Music is medicine, and this is cardiology. Yes. AirPods on, can you feel the beat? I just wanna.
So this is the final result of my mini twist. I'm so glad that you guys stuck through this video. Sorry if it was a little repetitive, but yeah, this is just a little protective hairstyle that I mentioned in my video, just to not have my hands in my hair consistently and all the time. Also, I want to show you guys how much hair came out versus the first scene. Can you notice the difference? It's not even that big of a hairball, but the difference is real, okay? In the trash it goes, and it goes in the trash. So yeah, this is the end result. Of course my hair was stretched out, so it's not going to be as, the ends are not going to be as curly, kind of blunt, but I can style it either way or however I want to choose. So I love that about my twist. I can style it any kind of way, and this is just an easy hairstyle to do when I just don't want to do my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, y'all. I love it when you guys comment. It just shows that you guys are there. So like this video, don't forget to comment and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on your push notifications so that you are aware of when I post another video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.